if you know just simple 5 questions: who, what, when, where, and why, you can understand any sentences, any sentence in English. Let me show you how. I'm not going to waste your time, waste my time. Let's go to the first W. The first W is the who. The who. Every sentence usually has the who. For example, John is eating. John is the who. John is the subject. Okay? So if you can find the who, you already understand half of the sentences, of course. Okay? So the next W is the what. What is happening? What is happening? Example, John is eating. Eating is the what? The action. Okay? So we have the who plus the what equals full of idea. Okay? Equals already full of idea. Okay? So next W is the when. When. Then we had the when. Example, John is eating at 7 p.m. John is eating at 7 p.m. The when tell us the time and give us the context. Okay? So the next W is the where. The where give us the place, the location. Okay? John is eating at 7 p.m. in the kitchen. Okay, now we have the who, the what, the when, and the where. Alright, almost completely. Okay? So the last W and finally the why. Finally, why explain the reason. The reason John is eating at 7 p.m. in the kitchen because he is hungry. Because he is hungry. Okay? So with the why, the sentences is 100% clear. 100% is clear. We have the what, we have the who, what, when, where, and why. It's clear and completely. Okay? So the next time you read or you hear English, don't panic. Nah, don't panic. Just break it down with the 5W. Who, what, when, where, and why. This simple trick help you understand faster and speak with more confidence. Okay? If this helped you, give this video the like and subscribe for more English fluency secret.